Welcome back. Myself, Chitra Sharma, Assistant Professor with AISSMS College of Hotel Management Catering Technology, Pune. The subject which I am covering is front office, and the topic is arrival. What is arrival? What do we understand by arrival? This is the first stage of a guest cycle, which deals with the reservation. The second stage, arrival, deals with the activities involved in the process of pre-registration and registration. The activities are carried out before the arrival of the guest to ensure the speedy check-in and are termed as pre-registration activities. The registration process, which involves the formalization of a valid contract between a guest and a hotel, begins with the arrival of the guest at the hotel front desk. The content which we are going to see in this presentation are going to be purpose of pre-registration, why is it important, what are the procedures for pre-registration, what is arrivals, what happens during reservation desk, what happens at the reception desk, receiving of the guest, what is registration, and what do we understand by Form C, what is passport and visa. Now let us see what is the purpose of pre-registration. Preparation in the reservation section is done at one day evening prior to the arrival of the expected guest. It involves checking of records which were made for arriving guests at the time of booking and generating the guest documents based on already available information and transmitting the same to the front desk. It helps in more effective registration, very speedy check-in, time saving, more time for receptionists to give personal touch in service to the arrival and avoid any confusion at the reception counter on arrival of the guest. The procedure for pre-registration is the expected arrival list is prepared on a daily basis to indicate the number and the names of the guests expected to arrive the next day, along with the time of arrival, their date of departure, what room they have requested, what is their reservation status, any special request and instructions are there. Then the room position is calculated, that is the room availability status for the next day is arrived at. The amenity vouchers are prepared. It is a list of amenities to be given or kept in the guest room for VIPs. Amenities vouchers are sent to all departments such as F&B, housekeeping, so that they can make necessary and appropriate arrangement in advance. Depending on the status of guest, a number of amenities can be provided in the room and bathroom, such as fruit basket, flower arrangements, assorted cookies platter, assorted nuts platter, cake, champagne, etc. Allotment of room numbers to the arriving guests with a confirmed reservation after checking their room preference. Guest registration card is kept ready. Guest registration card is also known as GRC. It is filled up with all the available transaction data such as name, address, billing instructions, type of room, rate of room are kept ready for the signature of the arriving guest. Now let us see what is arrivals. This is prepared for the guest arrivals at the reservation and at reception. At the reservation section, done one day prior to the arrival of the expected guest. Checking of records of arrival guests made at the time of booking, like arrival time, confirming their mode of payment, travel desk arrangement. We prepare a correspondence envelope of each and individual guest, which contains a set of documents pertaining to each reservation request, which is later sent to the front desk. The envelope consists of documents such as request letters from the guest, copy of offer letters of the hotel, confirmation letter from the guest, and copy of acknowledgement letter sent to the guest by the hotel. Sending the expected arrival list to all major departments in one day advance. At the reception desk, we check the room position, whether it is plus or minus. We check the number of expected arrival and departures and room availability position and calculate the latest room position. We give information about the vacant rooms can be found from room rack and the housekeeper's report of the available rooms from the computers. We check for instruction about the blocking of rooms and shall book the rooms accordingly for groups, airlines, cruise, VIP and SPAT guests. We check for the registration card is whether up to date. We check with the bell desk staff is ready and equipped fully to receive the arriving group or crew. The office managers shall ensure personally rooms are ready and amenities such as fruits and flowers, cookies, etc. have been arranged properly. We check for hold mails for the expected arrivals, and we keep the keys ready. Now we come to the most important part, but that is receiving of guests. It is an activity of greeting and welcoming the guests by the hotel front office staff and begins the first employee that comes in contact with the arriving guest. Doorman opens the door of the car or taxi and it reaches the portico, and after that the entrance door of the lobby. Bellboy carries the luggage from car to bell desk and further accompanies the guest from bell desk to the front desk. The receptionist greets the guest and welcome drink offer is offered. Filling up of the registration card is done. Receptionist would try to access the requirement of the guest. We assign the rooms, then we hand over the keys. We escort the guest till the room, explain the feature of the room, and thank the guest and wish him a very pleasant stay. Now, the most important part after reservation is registration. Registration is basically a process of gathering information from the guest that is mandatory as per the laws prevailing in the country. According to the Foreigners Act 1946 and the Registration of Foreigners Rules 1992, the innkeeper should keep the records of the guest staying in his premises as per the Form F. Registration is the formalization of a valid contract between the guest and the hotel, in which the hotel offers a safe and secure boarding and lodging facilities to the guest, and the guest accepts to pay for the service and facilities he is going to receive. In case of foreign visitors, the front desk staff should fill Form C and verify their passport and visas of the guest. This is a format of registration card, which is actually pre-filled if the reservation is done and confirmed. The guest only come and checks for the completeness and signs it. Now, what is Form C? Form C is also known as Red Book. According to the Registration of Foreigners Rules 1992, Rule 14, it is obligatory on the part of the hotel owner to send information about the foreigners registered at the hotel. Any person who is not an Indian national, who is not holding up Indian passport other than Indian except Nepal and Bhutan is known as a foreigner. The hotel is liable to send the information in the format of Form C to the nearest foreigners regional registration office or local intelligence unit within 24 hours of arrival of the foreigner national. In case of Pakistani, Bangladeshi and Chinese national, this information should reach within 12 hours to the nearest FRRO or LIU and also to the local police station. It should reach the FRO every day by 15 hours. Form C should be prepared in duplicate. Top copy is sent to the competent authority. Second copy is kept for the permanent records for duration as specified in the law related to the same. Form C may also be submitted online to FRO this day through the following website. This is the format of Form C. Now let us come to the most important document, that is passport. The word passport has been originated from the French word passer, to pass through any port or harbor. Passport is an official document which is issued by government and competent public authority, identifying a traveler as a citizen or a national of a country, giving particulars about him or her and recognizing their rights to return to that country. There are the types of Indian passports are ordinary and normal passport. Dark blue colored passport issued to any ordinary citizens of India. The official passport, which is white and grey colored, issued to the government officials and or persons traveling on government missions. Diplomatic consular passport, which is red in color, issued to the person holding diplomatic or consular status as per the international law and customs. The other important document for traveling abroad or any foreigner visiting India is visa. Visa basically is known as visitor intended to stay abroad, is a permit which allows a citizen of one country to enter another country for a designated period and for a specific purpose. This visa is issued in the form of endorsement or rubber stamp on a passport. The various Indian visas are tourist visa, X visa, employment or business visa, student or intern visa, journalist visa, film visa, research visa, or medical visa. This is an image of visa. How does it look like when it is stamped in the passport? So let us have a very quick recap what we have learned in this presentation. We saw the purpose of pre-registration. Why is it important? We saw what is the procedure of pre-registration. We saw the importance of arrivals. What is done at the reservation desk during arrivals? What is done at the reception desk during arrivals? How do we receive the guest? How is the registration done for the guest? We saw how Form C is built and how does it look like and what is its important. We saw how does a passport work and we saw how does a visa work. So we can conclude by saying that it's the most important element of guest satisfaction, leading to repeat customers or standardized product, motivated and trained staff and quality management. The front office department overall seems to be one area which is key promoter of the guest satisfaction. So thank you so much. Please attempt the quiz given in the description box and be safe and take care.